Hello, assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, how are you doing? Today, in this video, I would like to share the most important pronunciation. The pronunciation is of the word. The word is THA. How we can pronounce this word? Sometimes we can say it would be the. Sometimes we can say it would be the. Which one is correct? We have to feel confusion to utter this word. When it would be the, when it would be the. Today, if you watch this video, all confusions about this proper pronunciation would be removed. So, don't be late, let's get started. If you find any word after THE and the word will start any consonant, when you can pronounce THE, the. For example, you can say book. The word is start with consonant. If you use the before this word, how you can pronounce this word? It would be the book. Another word I can say the hand, the table, the bench, the man. Lots of examples you can say. The main thing is that if you find any word after THE and the word will start with consonant, always you have to pronounce THE, the, right? On the other hand, if you find any word after THE and the word will start with vowel, then you can pronounce this THE, the. For example, you can say the orange, the egg, the elephant, the umbrella. So lots of words you have to find with vowel and you have to pronounce THE, the, right? I think that your all confusions will be removed after watching this video.